back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on House of Zwide from the 12th to the 16th of May 2025 on Monday. Molefe warns Isaac of Khetha's dangerous nature. Nkosi allows Sandile's tribe label to remain at the collective. Meanwhile, Maria rescued a commercial shoot for Busi on Tuesday. Khetha visits the Molapo's car wash to thank Isaac, creating tension between the brothers-in-law. Sandile deals with the fallout of Patisa's social media rant on Wednesday. Braketa prioritizes profit over safety in his insanity factory, dismissing his goons' concern. Meanwhile, Isaac and Molefe address their tension over Khetha visit the car wash on Thursday. Bonlapos are left rattled when Ria collapses after eating snacks from a spaza shop. Meanwhile, Khetha berates a health inspector after he condemned the factory for its faulty conditions on Friday. The Molapos are distraught when the doctor revealed that Ria ingested a toxic chemical. Braketa, the supplier of the tainted snake, celebrates his business success. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.